Experiencing problems with your Starlink Ethernet adapter? Understanding how to properly diagnose these issues can save you time and frustration. The Ethernet adapter is a critical component that bridges your Starlink dish to your network equipment. First, let's understand what the Ethernet adapter does. It connects your Starlink dish to your router or device via standard Ethernet cable, converting the satellite signal into network data your devices can use. Common issues in 2025 include connection drops during high traffic periods, router incompatibility, especially with older models from before 2020, and power delivery problems in extreme weather conditions. Start your diagnosis with a thorough physical inspection. Check the Ethernet cable for any visible damage, ensure all connections are properly seated, and verify that the adapter's power LED indicator is illuminated. If the physical connections appear solid, move on to network configuration diagnostics. Confirm your device is receiving an IP address via DHCP, and try testing with a known good device to isolate whether the problem is with the adapter or your specific equipment. According to networking experts, a significant percentage of reported adapter failures are actually due to substandard or damaged Ethernet cables. Cable replacement should be your first troubleshooting step, as it resolves about 45% of connection issues. Remember, systematic diagnosis is key to resolving Starlink Ethernet adapter issues efficiently. Start with physical inspection, check your network configuration, and don't overlook the simple solution of cable replacement. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Starlink Ethernet adapter issues, it's time to move to advanced diagnostic techniques. The Starlink app provides powerful tools for monitoring your connection quality and identifying specific problems. Packet loss analysis is crucial for identifying network congestion and connection stability issues. This involves monitoring data transmission patterns and identifying where packets are being dropped in your network path. Router compatibility issues are often overlooked but can cause significant connectivity problems. Ensuring your router firmware is up to date and properly configured for Starlink's requirements is essential for optimal performance. Environmental factors, particularly extreme temperatures, can significantly impact Ethernet adapter performance. In very cold environments, heated enclosures provide a reliable solution to maintain consistent connectivity. When software solutions aren't sufficient, hardware troubleshooting becomes necessary. This includes firmware rollbacks for recent update issues and knowing when to contact Starlink support for warranty claims and professional assistance. A systematic troubleshooting approach can resolve 89% of Ethernet adapter issues without requiring hardware replacement. By following these advanced techniques methodically, you can identify and fix most connectivity problems efficiently.